Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is the storm that's happening, everywhere. Well, maybe not everywhere. But this is supposed to be the, I don't know, anywhere from 6 to 10 inches, 12 inches, who knows. It's the first real kind of snowstorm of 2024, at least here in northeastern Pennsylvania, and probably the whole, northeastern part of America. So I wanted to make this video real quick because I went grocery shopping, and I saw these, and it sounded interesting. Fritos has a new flavor, and this is the Nashville Hots. Now, I happen to be a huge Nashville hot chicken fan. I just love that flavor profile, and I haven't had Fritos in a minute. It's literally been, I don't know, I'm not going to put a number on it, but it's been a long time. So, just going to try it, but I figure what's more appropriate than trying something hot outside in the cold. So, I am quite cold right now, so hopefully this warms me up. We will see. Fritos Nashville Hot. So, dig right in. Oh, itch on my face. Ah, the flavor smells great. So, if you're not familiar, Nashville Hot is like a mix of spices in liquid fat, which I don't know. I guess it's not like melted butter or anything. What is it, lard? I don't know, but it's delicious. It's not good for you, I'm sure, but anyway, this smells wonderful. It does smell kind of like Nashville Hot seasoning that I've had before. Oh god, itchy nose. I don't know why. All right, go in. I've done a Frito in a long time. All right, so I can tell you it's spicy. The flavor, I might have to have another one here for the flavor though. So I'm not getting too much flavor. I feel all the heat, but I'm just tasting. Let's try to get the flavor off of it. Okay, there it is a little bit. Yeah, I mean, oh, that one was good. That was flavorful. It does have that Nashville Hot flavor, like whatever the seasonings are traditionally for that. It is hot. I would say it's probably as hot as Flamin' Hot Cheetos. So if you like it spicy, it is actually spicy. It's burning. My mouth's burning. The back of my throat's burning like a dry heat. It's just a little bit sweet. But again, not like on the initial one. It was after a couple of them. I got that little bit of sweetness from the flavor. It's good. It's spicy. It's building. I've only had like maybe 3 or 4, and I'm kind of lit up in my back of the throat. So it's definitely spicy. If you're not into Flamin' Hot stuff, you probably wouldn't like these. Even though it's not related to Flamin' Hot, it is spicy. Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to think. Like a piece of chicken, like a fried chicken cutlet. If you have a Nashville Hot chicken sandwich or something, phenomenal, just delicious. It's similar. It's not exactly the same flavor as that, but they're good. I think this has a better flavor than Flaming Hot anything. Honestly, I think Flaming Hot stuff is overrated. Like, I don't mind the heat, but the flavor of the Flaming Hot products that are out there is not really that great. I don't know. I know people liked it because it was hot, but, commercial snacks and stuff being spicy is not new and fresh anymore. So many companies have done so many things in the last probably 5 to 10, well, maybe more like 5 years, possibly 10, but I feel like everything is offered spicy now. Even like fast food places and restaurants, everything's just spicy. Everything is ghost pepper and Reaper and Flamin' Hot, and so society is used to spice. America has definitely gotten its fair share of spicy snacks now and foods. So stuff like this is no longer like super spicy. But yeah, I mean, I like them. I think they're cool. I'd probably would I want this over a regular, plain Frito? I'd say yeah. They're good. They're tasty. There's a good flavor there, but and the heat level is actually pretty nice. It's just the flavor is not as strong as I would like as far as this flavor goes. But anyway, that's all. Do one more. And it's kind of subsiding now, so it's not like if you had a bunch of them, I don't think it'd be overly too hot. If you like hot sauce and stuff in general, you'd probably enjoy these. It wouldn't be too spicy. But yeah, very good. I like them. there you go. If you have these, let me know what you think of yours. But I'm gonna go for now. I'm going inside where it's nice and warm, coming back out later to shovel all this crap, because it's gonna build. We're getting snow. But it's wintertime. Actually, as I'm speaking right now, I'm reminding myself to bring in that wind chime. You hear it? That's not a wintertime thing. It's gonna get ruined out here. So I'm glad I heard that. I'm gonna go save it right now. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.